Ever stared at a brand new Westpac card, feeling that little buzz of anticipation, but then, the big question hits you: how do I actually use this thing? You're not alone. Millions of people get new cards every year, and figuring out the activation process can sometimes feel like navigating a mini maze. But don't worry, we're about to make that maze disappear. Think about it. You've probably gone through the effort of opening an account, maybe even waited a few days for that crisp, new card to arrive in the mail. You're ready to make that purchase, set up those online payments, or simply have the convenience of a debit or credit card in your wallet. The last thing you want is to be stuck at the checkout, fumbling with an inactive piece of plastic. That's where we come in. Today, we're going to break down the simple steps to get your Westpac card up and running, so you can ditch the confusion and start enjoying the benefits right away. Westpac, like most major banks, offers a few convenient ways to activate your card, giving you options to choose the method that best suits your needs and lifestyle. Whether you're tech-savvy and prefer the speed of online activation, or you like the personal touch of a phone call, Westpac has you covered. So, what are these magical methods? Let's dive right in. One of the most popular and straightforward ways to activate your Westpac card is through their online banking platform. If you're already set up with Westpac Online Banking, this process is usually incredibly quick and easy. Simply log into your account using your existing username and password. Once you're in, navigate to the section that deals with your accounts or cards. You'll typically find an option like Activate Card or something similar. Click on that, and you'll likely be prompted to enter your card number and perhaps the expiry date or CVV code for security purposes. Follow the on-screen instructions, and within moments, your card should be activated and ready to go. If online banking isn't your preferred method, or if you haven't set it up yet, don't fret. Westpac also offers activation via their mobile banking app. If you have the Westpac app installed on your smartphone or tablet, the process is very similar to online banking. Open the app, log in securely, and look for the card activation option, usually located within your account details or a dedicated services section. Again, you'll likely need to enter your card details to verify and activate it. The app often provides a smooth and intuitive experience, making activation a breeze even when you're on the move. Finally, for those who prefer a more direct approach, you can always activate your Westpac card by phone. You'll usually find a dedicated activation number printed on a sticker attached to your new card or within the accompanying letter. Give that number a call, and an automated system or a Westpac representative will guide you through the activation process. Be prepared to provide some personal information to verify your identity, such as your account number and date of birth. Once your details are confirmed, your card will be activated. No matter which method you choose, make sure you have your new Westpac card handy during the activation process. It's also a good idea to keep any accompanying letters or information from Westpac nearby, as they may contain important details you'll need. Once your card is activated, it's often a good practice to make a small transaction at a physical point-of-sale terminal using your PIN to ensure everything is working correctly. So there you have it, 3 simple ways to get your Westpac card activated and ready for action. Choose the method that works best for you, follow the steps, and you'll be swiping, tapping, and shopping in no time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.